Hey folks, Jonathan here. I wanted to show you a couple guns I bought. This particular gun, this is a Turkish Mauser, 8mm. I bought this and another gun, a 303 British. Well, it's a 303 British, but it's assembled in Australia. Bought them, and it's been sportsdrized. This one hasn't, but bought them from a friend of mine's grandfather's estate auction, and you know, fairly nice gun. It's pretty good shape. I mean, you know, for an old military gun. But it's a lot like the Gu-98, the Russian Mauser, which I've got one of them too. But of course, this gun's not worth as much as it. And if you look at the bolt and the receiver, the way the style is, you know, it's just about exactly the same. But there's just a lot of little differences on it. But the problem with this gun is it's got a lock on it, and they could not find the key for it. And this is actually made by Mauser. It's just a trigger lock. And what we're going to try to do is cut it off. And I've looked it over pretty good. And the best way I've come up with that I might be able to do it, I think I'm going to take the cutoff wheel and I'm just going to slice off the lock assembly here. I don't want to get in close to the trigger guard. It's got rubber in here. The way it's made, I'd be so close to the trigger guard, I don't want to cut it up. So I think I'll lay something around this, keep getting any hot sparks on it, and then we're going to cut that off and see if we can get this lock assembly out of it. All right. Into this air real quick. I got a leaking fitting there. Terrible. But all right, I just shaved it off. I think I'll cut a little more, but not sure what that is. Some kind of pot metal or something. It didn't throw any sparks. I don't think it's aluminum. It might be, but I kind of doubt it. I don't know how it's going to work out, but we're going to go a little closer and then maybe we can dig that lock out of there. See what happens. Well, it's definitely moving better, but it's just, I don't know if it's because it got that rubber hot or what, but it was tight on there before. Still no luck with the lock. Oh, wait a minute. We might have something coming out here. Just going to grab something to get that. See if you can see where it's raising up out. I lost it, of course. And that's all there is to it. Okay, that sure didn't take much. Of course, these are not made for security. I mean, they're just made to keep people from being able to shoot them, so there's not much to them, but I guess that's the easy way of doing it without destroying the gun. And I used a damp rag, so I need to go wipe this down and get some oil on it. I don't need things to start rusting here, so anyway, appreciate everybody watching. Bye.